this is Tushar Ramnan from 99 Workouts. आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. This is in Pune, and it's such a awesome day. As you know, that Pune has got such a lovely weather. But along with the weather, you'll see that there are lovely people also who feature in these episodes. आज मैं एक खास जो गेस्ट को इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ. इनकी कहानी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग ये कहानी मेरे गेस्ट के साथ और मेरे साथ एक कैंडिड चैट के तौर पे सुने, क्योंकि रियल पीपल आर द वन हु you see them every day. They take care of their health, they take care of their fitness, and you can see them actually working out. They practice what they preach. So here I have a very beautiful lady next to me, and that's Neetu. Thank you, Neetu, for being on this show. And as you can see, I've got such a fit woman next to me. I am feeling inferior today, but this is what is 99 Workouts all about. So let's find out what's her inside story. Tushar Ramnan, finally we are here with a new episode, and my guest for today is Neetu. And Neetu, I'm really thankful once again that I could catch hold of you in Pune.
All after 2 years.
Yeah, because we're shooting post the lockdown, so it's been tough to meet people. But I didn't want it to happen, online kind of thing. I wanted to meet the person because inside story जो होती है, it's always better to know from the person who's sitting face to face. Exactly. So Neetu, as I know a little bit about you, is men love to play with figures, but here you turned out to take chartered accountancy as your initial start. So ये कहाँ से हुआ? ये chartered accountancy का भूख कहाँ से आपको?
My life has been a very accidental one. So I wanted to go for engineering, but then my father was like, engineering, girls don't do it. So to prove him, I took up a course like chartered accountancy. So while I was doing chartered accountancy, cleared intermediate level, I did my articleship, but I wasn't getting the kick enough.
Okay.
So I thought of just dropping it off and taking something else. So between the transition
tell me something, ये जो kick enough नहीं बोले, ये कौन सी kick की बात कर रहे हो?
मतलब मजा नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा, okay.
करते time, you should always enjoy what you're doing.
Right.
I believe.
Right.
So as I told you, everything has been accidental. I wasn't enjoying enough. I was not getting a lot of pleasure while just sitting 9 to 6 and doing audit. So I just thought of dropping it. I didn't appear for my final exam, which I'm still screwed for. Like, there are people who think, what I'm doing right now, I'm anchoring. They think that, chartered accountancy would have been a better job for me.
Right.
But they have no idea I'm so good at that.
So आपने सुना, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं नीतू के साथ और 99 वर्कआउट्स. ये इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया चार्टेड अकाउंटेंसी के साथ और बीच में इनको ऐसा फील हुआ कि ये दिस इज नॉट माय काइंड ऑफ थिंग. And so today we lost a beautiful chartered accountant, So tell me something, Neetu, then you moved totally from chartered accountancy, you dropped it, you said, and you got into something totally different, which is drama and speech.
I started teaching, so I didn't have any work to do in that 6 months to 8 months. So I thought, it's always better to go outside and do something. So I took up this job, which was again offered to me. I just took it randomly at random, and in between, I also got offers for doing events.
Okay.
So I got stuck up in a situation where I had to handle teaching, giving one lecture and doing a full day event as well.
Okay.
So that's where I thought, that's it. I need to do events.
So tell me, is Neetu a person who is like goes with the flow and finds something new and then shifts? Is she like a girl like that?
I love to do everything which is on planet.
Okay.
So I'm more of a person who loves to do everything and who's a passionate soul. That's like the one thing that can define me basically. So if I see something and it really, I find it to be the best thing on the earth, I'll go and do it.
मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि today Neetu is like a professional host. She does a lot of hosting of lot of various events, which requires, of course, looking good, and because you're always in the limelight, you are from the beginning of the show till the end of the show, right? So tell me something, how important, like today we are in a gym setup and you maintain yourself so well. So did fitness come automatically like the rest of the professions, or by chance, or was it always there?
It was always there. So I was a very stout child. I was just like 4 feet around, and I used to be like 55 kg. So I was a round child completely. I was teased in my school. So that's when I took up a charge of my life, and I thought, no, I have to reduce the weight. So it's since my 6th standard that I've been maintaining my weight, eating food that was cooked in water. So I was really famous for cooking food in water,
Okay.
and that's how the life is.
So tell me something. ये cooking in water क्या concept है? Like what is it like exactly?
So I used to actually completely ditch oil in whatever thing I used to
Okay.
make, and I used to make it in water.
So now आप ये बताइए कि आप एक पंजाबी फैमिली से आते हो जहाँ पे राजमा चावल chicken,
छोले
छोले ये सब छोड़ के आप खाना पानी में बना रहे हो तो isn't it like tasteless like you know how is it?
I don't know why it always turned out to be very good.
Okay.
It never was bland enough because I used to put a lot of spices.
Okay.
So it was tasty
So
enough to eat.
was it meant as a health concept like आपने सोचा कि this is going to help you towards your
Reducing weight,
Yeah.
yes, it definitely did. So that's when I started eating boiled sprouts. I started making my own rice without the starch. And you know, there were a lot of things I started actually, making all of this.
Right.
Experimenting basically.
Neetu, you come from a Punjabi family. Apparently, I came to know that you were totally in a girls' school. You had a lot of restrictions on you. You have broken a barrier kind of thing, and now you are in front of people. Like being kind of maybe I don't know whether you are introvert by nature or thing like that. But now you are always in front of an audience where you need to show that you are extrovert. So how is Neetu as a person, an introvert or an extrovert?
I like to tell I'm in between of this. I'm an ambivert. So ambiverts are people who once get comfortable around with people, they get extrovert.
Okay.
So yes, definitely it has been a very difficult task for me to go up on stage and be yourself, make people laugh. But that's what I really like, as you were asking me what gives you kick.
Right.
So my definition to kick is to make people laugh a lot. But
Wow.
I can't be a comedian enough. I'm not that great in making people laugh, but I love to entertain people.
Okay.
So being an ambivert, it has been really tough. But with it, I was a very rebellious child also.
Okay.
So I used to get eve teased by the boys around. And then I thought, I never had a brother.
Okay.
So I thought I don't have anyone to protect me enough. So I used to I used to go and punch people in the face. So I thought, if you want to support yourself, you need to protect yourself, you need to be strong enough. So that's where I started coming to gym. I started taking my charge. I started bullying men.
Wow. So आपने सुना you're watching 99 workouts with me and Neetu. We're just having a casual chat today, but इतनी कहानी है इनकी. It is so interesting. She started off doing chartered accountancy, then she moved into doing speech and drama. वहाँ से she of course got into anchoring now professionally. और throughout the process जहाँ तक मुझे पता है she has been continuing on her fitness activities. But एक और चीज़ मुझे पता है जो आपकी एक kind of you're passionate about is being a mentalist or something like that.
Yeah,
What
so
is it?
I discovered this thing, I believe 3 years back.
Okay.
So once I was in one of the shows where this thing clicked me. I thought when it comes to entertainment, I was hosting from 8 years. So 8 years the market had been very saturated.
Right.
So I thought what to get more on the stage.
Okay.
So that's where I started learning mentalism, and now I've been to a point where I can read people's mind.
Okay.
So I have the
मैंने
power.
वो चश्मा पहन रखा था कि अभी यहाँ भी कवर लगाना पड़ेगा पता नहीं क्या क्या सोच रही है मेरे बारे में खैर बट या आई मीन दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आई हर्ड दिस इन द वेस्ट बट यहाँ पे इंडिया में कोई करता हो ऐसे मुझे
So
पता
I
नहीं।
just came to know throughout my research in Pune we barely have mentalists, like the female mentalists.
Okay.
We do have males performing it. So as you see, this world is more male dominated. So I thought of breaking the barrier and doing everything which is coming in front.
So tell me something. Do these people do one-on-one sessions or is it a group session? How is it?
Basically, we do stage acts.
Okay.
So it is at public at large.
Okay.
So one-on-one session we can do it, but since it is entertainment based.
So what is the crux? What are you trying to find out? What is the end? Is it like a game or what do you analyze? What do you analyze?
Mentalism means, where you're going to make the predictions, you're going to hypnotize people. So it's more of entertainment.
Okay.
You you don't derive anything.
Right.
But there's a lot of things, you know, maybe I can perform someday.
Oh wow, that's so amazing. I'm sure we're going to have a special show by Neetu on this, and it's going to be one of the most unique show. एक अगला सवाल जो अभी मैं पूछना जरूर चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ये हम लॉकडाउन के काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन से ऑन ऑफ चल रहा है, लेकिन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव गॉन इनटू पीपल हैव बीन गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. So how was your phase and how did you manage? Did all these activities which you did, because you are a go-getter, what I see, did this kind of attitude help you out to come out of the situation?
So I have juggled with being depressed, sad throughout my life. So this was just, you know, a very instant thing that, you know, I learned from my life. If you want to keep yourself happy, if you want to get everything which is around you, you need to be on your toes.
Right.
So I have been a very passionate person. I push myself to get everything around.
Right.
So during the lockdown days, I wanted to dance, you know, when I was young, but I couldn't. Again, coming up from a very restrictive family, girls don't dance. But then I pushed myself into dance. I started doing a lot more things because I had so much of time. I have been hosting for 8 years at a stretch where you don't find time to do anything else. So my lockdown was a very happy one. I found time for myself. I could do a lot more things. I have so many things up in my mind. Since you can see my lovely hair,
Right.
I wish to come up with the products. I wish to come up with my hair routine, basically what I do to my hair, like to my hair. Basically.
आप देख रहे हैं 99 वर्कआउट विद तुषार एंड नीतू. ये जो बाल है, जो
घने
फेस जो है
बाल।
घने, ये रियल है, इन्होंने इसको क्रिएट नहीं किया, ये नेचुरली ग्रोन है. एक मेरा बहुत जो लास्ट सवाल है आपसे, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ spreading this motivational message to especially to the women. There are a lot of women who are housewives, and they're still thinking to come out to the gym and work out, and they feel that if they weight train, they'll become like men because they have to
They
train
get
to
bulky.
machine, bulky like that. So what is that message you would like to convey to women?
To all the women, to all the beautiful girls out there, I just want to tell you, break all the myths and come to gym, because you don't get bulky enough if you're gonna do weight training.
Right.
So I had the similar myth in me,
Right.
but when I started following, I really love Jacqueline. So when I started following her, I thought weight training is must. If you want to keep yourself lean with weight training, you can go for yoga, you can do Pilates. There's so many things to do on earth. So I just want to tell all the women who are sitting just at home or just thinking to do, they'll do this someday or the other day. The age is very limited,
You're right.
Yeah, so I just want, by the time you find yourself, you're going to do something or the other, or you'll do, something in the future. I just want to tell them, go and do the things right now. You don't waste the time at all.
Right. So thank you so much, Neetu, for featuring on this particular episode. To know about the inside story, which a lot of people don't know, they actually see the end product. They don't see the journey. So the 99 Workouts is all about people's journey, and to connect with the real life around that. Everything is possible if you really put a lot of interest in it, and you are passionate about things. And as far as the fitness is concerned, I have known that I've seen all the posts. You do a lot of posts regarding dancing and fitness, which is always there. So I'm sure you can see Neetu is next to me, who's kept herself so well. She's a professional host. I'm sure you're going to see her doing her own shows very soon. And thank you so much for
Thank you so much.
being on my episode. Keep watching 99 Records, because I always have beautiful women, but not as beautiful as Neetu.
Oh my God, thank you so much. It was pleasure being with you.
Thank you so much.